RooterMan of Chattanooga, your local plumbing experts, with over 50 years of trust and reliability. For over half a century, RooterMan of Chattanooga has been the trusted name in plumbing, sewer, and drain cleaning for residents and businesses across Tennessee and nearby areas, including Harrison, Hixson, Birchwood, and downtown Chattanooga. We bring experience and skill to every job, offering fast, dependable solutions at reasonable rates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When plumbing problems arise, our team is ready to tackle them, ensuring you receive top-notch service whenever you need it. Our extensive range of services includes drain cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn clogs and slow drains. We use advanced techniques and tools to clear your drains quickly and effectively. Sewer line repair. From minor repairs to major issues, we handle sewer line problems with precision, ensuring your home's plumbing flows smoothly again. Emergency services. When an unexpected plumbing issue occurs, you can count on us to respond promptly, anytime, day or night. With RooterMan of Chattanooga, you're not just getting a service, you're partnering with experts who care about your home and peace of mind. Call us today to experience the fast, reliable, and affordable plumbing solutions that your community has trusted for generations.